Attention job seekers, Croatia is now hiring for Filipino kitchen helpers, cooks, assistant cooks, and assistant waiters with salaries up to 60,000 pesos monthly and no placement fee. Plus, all is DMW verified. Yes po, opo, tama po yung nadinig nyo. Kung gusto mo ng bagong simula at mas magandang income, makinig ka. Croatia ngayon ay naghahanap ng Filipino kitchen helper, cooks, assistant cooks at assistant waiter para sa Valomar Riviera, isang malakas na resort group sa Europe. Legal ito, DMW verified at ang pinaka-importante, wala kang babayarang placement fee. Hello mga karikrod, I'm Jen at ngayon isa-isahin natin ang mga kumpletong details ng hiring na ito. So for the benefits, why this job is a good choice? Maraming bukas na posisyon, hindi lang isa, kaya kung nasa kitchen ka man or cooking line or service floor, may slot para sa iyo. Kasama sa open roles ay ang kitchen helper, assistant cook, and assistant waiter. So for the employer, Valomar Riviera isang malaking hotel at resort chain sa Croatia. Ang environment, malinis, professional at standard ang operations. Ika nga, European quality. And yung salary range, sa hospitality sector sa Croatia, ang sahod ay nasa 50,000 to 60,000 per month. Depende pa yan sa position at experience. Pwede pang tumaas dahil may overtime at season-based demand. At syempre, no placement fee, walang babayaran bago kang lumipat. And again guys, disclaimer po, kami po dito sa Recruit PH ay hindi po recruitment agency, hindi po kami tumatanggap ng applicants, hindi kami nagpa-process at hindi kami kumukuha ng bayad. Ang purpose lang po namin ay magbigay ng verified and factual at detailed na impormasyon galing sa DMW, accredited agencies at official job posting. So for employer and agency details. For employer, Valomar Riviera Resort and Hotel Chain. Country ay Croatia. Ang agency naman is Premier Global Recruitment OPC, DMW accredited at listed sa official job posting. Huwag po kayong mag-entertain ng kahit sinong mag-message sa iyo online. Okay, for the qualifications and requirements. Para makapag-apply, kailangan mo lang ng at least 2 years experience sa kitchen, restaurant, or hotel. COE na nagpapatunay ng experience mo. Training certificate, valid passport, updated resume, and detailed resume with a picture. Basic English communication skill. And paalala guys, according to the Premier Global Recruitment OPC agency, no fees in any form and or purpose will be collected from the applicants. Beware po daw sa illegal recruiters and human traffickers. Kung everyday ka na nasa kitchen or dining area na trabaho, pasok na pasok ka dito. So, how to apply ba? So, first is ihanda mo ang lahat ng documents mo. Resume, COE, passport, NBI training certificate, optional per advantage, and also for the step 2, magpunta o makipag-coordinate sa Premier Global Recruitment OPC. Sila ang DMW accredited agency, mag-submit ng requirements at dumaan sa initial screening. Kapag pasado ka sa screening, may interview ka either with the agency or the employer. And next, for the step 5, kapag shortlisted, may contract orientation. Dito, i-explain nila lahat ng terms. And for the step 6 naman, visa processing, medical exam, at PDOS. And for the step 7 naman, deployment papuntang Croatia. Walang placement fee, walang processing charge. Kapag may nanghihingi ng pera, i-report mo agad yan. So, here's for the verification and hotline. Para sa safety mo, i-verify ang job order bago ka mag-submit. So, just check DMW website, www.dmw.gov.ph, and for the hotline naman, 1349. Kung gusto mong masigurado na valid ang job order at ang agency sila ang pinakamabilis na paraan. Kung meron kang kapamilya or kaibigan na nagtatrabaho sa kitchen, restaurant, hotel, or cafe, i-share mo na ito sa kanila. Malay mo, sila ang matulungan mo makahanap ng legal na work abroad. At kung gusto mo pang makatanggap ng verified job updates, DMW news at step-by-step application guides, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Recruit PH Official. Maraming salamat mga karikrod, ingat sa proseso at good luck sa application mo.